Welcome friends, I am Krishnamurthy. Welcome you all in Learning Mirror YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you why your withdrawal amount is showing negative in Kotak Securities. So if you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share. First you log in new Kotak Securities Trader app. Once you log in, it will show your dashboard. You have to go to the mode option. Once you go to the mode option, click on funds. Once you click on funds, it will show your amount, how much amount left with your Kotak Securities. If it is in plus, means you have deposited some amount with Kotak Securities. So if it is in plus, no need to worry, it is your own amount. If it is in minus, then you have to worry. Either you generated charges, brokerage, margin amount, anything. If this section will show in minus, then you need to pay that amount to Kotak Securities. So I have to tell you, click on withdrawal option. Once you click on withdrawal option, it will show minus 870. So what is this? I have already 325 in my funds account. Why it is showing 875? Because Kotak Securities tell you to maintain minimum amount of at least 1000 or 1200 rupees with Kotak Securities. So that's why it is showing minus. No need to worry, if you add money, you can utilize all that 1200 rupees. Minimum amount doesn't mean you are not authorized to utilize that amount either in trading, currency, commodity or investment. You can utilize that amount, but if you withdraw any amount, you need to maintain 1200 rupees or 1000 rupees, whatever it is. So suppose if you put a withdrawal request of 10,000, after T plus 2 days you get a settlement amount, you can withdraw only 8,800 or 9,000 rupees from Kotak Securities. That 1,200 or 1,000 rupees you can utilize. You can utilize in any format, either trading or investment or something else. Understand? Here, if the available balance is showing minus and in your funds it is showing plus, then no need to worry. Understand? You have to maintain minimum amount of 1200 rupees with Kotak Securities or 1000 rupees. Now someone will ask, sir, how can I withdraw whole amount? Once you close your Kotak Securities trading at Demat account, then after that you can withdraw whole amount from Kotak Securities. Before that you have to maintain 1000 or 1200 rupees, whatever it is. Suppose if it is showing minus 10,000 here, then you need to worry. You have to pay taxes or interest on that margin amount, because in cash also it will show you minus 9,000 rupees something. Understand? In cash, if it is showing minus, then you have to pay them to Kotak Securities. Either you take margin position or you are in loss, or you have taken F&O position and you are in loss, then you have to pay all the amount. If you are not paying, then interest and charges will be added on that amount every day. Understand? If your cash amount is plus and your withdrawal amount is minus, then no need to worry, no need to pay this amount to Kotak Securities. Understand? I explain you everything. I hope you understand each and everything clearly. If you want to open Kotak Securities free intraday trading and Demat account, the link is in description below. I am coming live 8 PM every day on Learning Mirror YouTube channel. Please come and ask your query. We are present on all social media platforms. If you see Learning Mirror on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram or Twitter, please join. Thank you.